Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is our November Boxycharm, and this video is a little late, a little past overdue, but better late than never, right? So let's dig into this box, and I'm super excited for November Boxycharm. This Boxycharm theme is hair-based, and we have so many goodies here to try. So the first thing we're going to be talking about in this video, I'm not going to be talking about as I'm trying them, because I did this little makeup look for you guys and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm just gonna go through each one of the product at a time now. Alright, so the first product here that we're gonna go through, I'm gonna show you guys and we're gonna talk about it, and we use in this video. After we're talking about the product, I'm gonna show you guys how I create this pretty look with the product that comes in this box. And the first product here is this Natasha Denona Peak palette. I have a little info on the palette, and let's open this. Okay, this comes with 5 eyeshadow shades. What the shadows look like. So I'm going to tell you guys the name of the shades here. We have here 4 matte shades that stun. You can create like a numerous look, and 1 shimmery shade. So what can I tell you guys about this little palette? It's amazing, it's fabulous. The eyeshadows are so pretty and so pigmented. When I say really pigmented, I have to show you guys. I'm just going to swatch this orange one here so you guys can see. Very pigmented. And you know what, for be honest with you guys, I think this is the first time that I try any eyeshadow for Natasha Denona. I don't know why, but you just have so many eyeshadow palettes, so I don't see like why would I go out and buy a new one since I have so many that I never even touched. So, but I'm so impressed with the quality of the eyeshadow that I'm definitely going to be trying more of them. I'm not kidding you guys, this is all over. So pretty. And this little palette with 5 eyeshadow retails for $48, which is a great price because the product it's in really good quality. So this is our first item in this November Boxycharm. So let's put this down, and this is the shade that I'm using for this look. Alright, so the second here is Dr. Brand Antioxidant Spray. Oh, I am in love with these sprays. You guys know that I'm like fascinated with skincare. I just love these, and we use this before we apply makeup. This toner is packed with antioxidants rich blend of green tea and white tea to shield your skin from free radicals and environmental stressors. It's formulated with red rose wine and lotus flower extract to tone and suture and purify, leaving the skin feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized. Fabulous, all that I need, right? Yes, I do. Alright, so and this spray retails for $40, which is a great price for a product so rich in antioxidant. It's something that if you want to have fabulous skin, girl, you need that, so spend that dough. Alright, and that was product number 2, November's Boxycharm. And product number 3 is gonna be the Benefit Give Me Brown Plus Volume Eyebrow Gel. I'm gonna lie, okay, here is the product. Alright, for be honest with you guys, so I have one here on my makeup jar. I just got these, and if you guys can see, they are the same shade. Luckily, Boxycharm, you know me. So here you have the one that came in Boxycharm, which is number 4 too. You guys can see here, number 4. And the one that I purchased also was number 4. And I don't on Boxycharm, I cannot choose my products because this is sent to me by PR, so unfortunately we cannot choose what product to come. So it's just too much coincidence they send me exactly the same shade that I needed. And so it was my first experience with this brown gel. I actually buy mine in a little set that came with 2 brown pen and the brown gel, and I'm gonna have to give you guys an update on these because I just started using them, so I don't want to talk too much before, you know, I really know if I love them or if I don't. So and this little Benefit Cosmetic Give Me Brown Plus Volume Eyebrow Gel retails for $24. This tinted eyebrow gel contains tiny microfiber that adhere to skin and hair, creating a natural look and fullness. Refined custom tiny trapped brush provides an easy mess-proof application. Proof fuller looking browns magically appear. Okay, so I'm gonna have, like I said, you guys, I'm gonna have to use these a little bit more and tell you guys how I love it or how I am. Alright, so the next product here is Half Cake Game Changer Lip Fondue Trio from Half Cake. They are so beautiful. Is the lippy shade that I'm using today. These look like a little deck of cards. That's what it reminds me of. Go on with a feather light texture and dry completely matte for the best wear. Make sure lip exfoliate when hydrated before applying. And these retails for $32, which $32 for 3 lipstick, it's not bad at all. You know, the size is not such a big size, but the medium size. But for 3, it's really a good price. And here is the shades, and they are stunning. So the shade we have here is Low Key. I think the one that we're using today is Low Key. Is this beautiful one here. The first one is Low Key, the second one is reddish brown. Almost so stunning. I'm so excited for this shade. So let's swatch a little bit of them because I'm so, and they smell so beautifully. Look how beautiful these. So let's swatch the next one, that's Samsung. So beautiful. And I love the shades. They are like some of my favorite shades. Normal, like the matte lipstick that I use, that's kind of the shades. This one is the one that we're using, is the Low Key, and is stunning. Is the top one. They are stunning and very, very fall like shades. And the next thing on today's Boxycharm is going to be, last but not least, is this Alamar Cosmetic Pero Primero Primer Longwear Sticky Pigment Base, a water-based primer designed to glue eyeshadow in place and to maximize color and pearl dimension. It's a water and wear resistant and enriched with shea butter, provides skin conditioning and moisturizing benefit. It also works as a glitter glue. Mix with your favorite concealer to customize your primer shade. Oh, okay, so when I got it, I was like, when I put it on, for be honest with you guys, I didn't read here that you should mix with the concealer for, you know, customize your base, and probably like a 10 down, because when I put it on my lids today, I put it by itself and it was a little sticky or a little too, how can I say, strong. So you're supposed to mix with your concealer. That makes sense. So in this little Pero Primero Primer Longwear Sticky Pigment Base retails for $15, which is a good price. Now that I know you're supposed to mix with the concealer for customize the base and not use by itself, because by itself it was kind of a little sticky, but I use it without concealer and it works fine. So that's all for November Boxycharm. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm sorry that this video is a little late. So if you guys have any question about Boxycharm, if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box, and they have a few different boxes. This one, for $25 you get over $125 worth of product, and you have, this is the base box. You have box Premium, that's for $35 you get over $225 thing. I think that's it worth of product, which is fabulous. And they have like a quarter box too, like Boxyluxe and Box Pop-Up, which is fabulous. So if you are into beauty box subscription, Boxycharm is for you. And if you're interested, check them out. I'm gonna have the link below in the description of this video. And I'd like to say thank you so much, Boxycharm, for including me on the PR list. Love you guys, and you guys are doing a fabulous job with the box. Thank you. So I see you guys next video. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. Bye. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to spray my face with this Dr. Brandt Antioxidant toner. Product on this Boxycharm is going to be the Premium primer, and we're gonna use this as our eyeshadow base. So we're going to be trying this shade Low Key today. This shade looks so pretty. Oh, let's try this. Stunning.